I can't remember. Who are you? I'm Joe. No, I'm Joe. I'm you from the past. From where? The past. What are you doing here? Yesterday, you planned to teach our young learners about the past simple, and you forgot your notebook in the library. So, I came to give it to you. Wow, that was so kind of him. Oh, me? Wait, I'm confused. Anyway, let's talk about the past. The past simple. We used past simple to talk about things that happened in the past, like yesterday, last week, a month ago, and in 2010. Past simple tense verbs come in two forms, regular and irregular. And today we are going to focus on the regular form. Regular past simple tense verbs are easy to form. We simply add ed. For example, play, played. Walk, walked. Call, called. Watch, watched. Now, let's look at a few sentences. I play the guitar every day. I played the guitar yesterday. Peter walks in the park every Sunday. Peter walked in the park 2 days ago. Jane watches movies at the cinema. Jane watched a movie at the cinema in June. See, it's not that difficult. Now, when we want to say that something didn't happen in the past, we use the formula did, not, verb, without ed. For example, Peter walked in the park. Peter didn't walk in the park. My grandparents called me. My grandparents didn't call me. You are such a fast learner. I think it's time for an activity. There are sentences and I don't know which verb to use. Will you help me? In 2015, my brother to London. Which one is correct? Yes! In 2015, my brother moved to London because it happened in the year 2015. Excellent! It a lot last winter. Snowed. It snowed a lot last winter. Carl and Jane didn't. 3 months ago. Travel or traveled? Well, this is a negative form. Should we use travel or traveled? Of course, travel. She didn't. 3 days ago. Work or worked? Work, because it's a negative form. We use didn't. Great! You answered all the questions correctly. You rock! Did you like our lesson today? We really hope you did. See you again next time. Bye! Bye!